IC voltage regulator. A voltage regulator is usually used to maintain a constant voltage level. The voltage regulator is a circuit which will try to maintain the output voltage constant under all the operating conditions. Depending on its design, it may be used to regulate one or more DC or AC voltages. So these are the pin diagrams of the voltage regulator. Regulated power supply. Here look into this diagram. Here we apply a sinusoidal waveform which is rectified to form a DC level and it is filtered. Then the voltage is regulated, which is a straight line. This is the purpose of the voltage regulator in a circuit. IC voltage regulator means integrated circuit voltage regulator. They are basically series regulator with all the basic blocks present inside the integrated circuit. It is easy to use and easy to operate. It is a 3-terminal device that provides a constant DC output voltage that is independent of the input voltage applied. Important features of IC regulators are they are programmable output and versatility, so they can perform many functions. Low cost, it is inbuilt with thermal shutdown, internally provided short circuit current limiting, etc. So classifications includes linear regulator and switching regulator. In linear regulator, we have two types: fixed voltage regulator, which may be positive or negative, and the adjustable voltage regulator, which may be also positive or negative. This is the 3-terminal IC voltage regulator circuit diagram. We have a op amp here. So the resistors R2 and R1 from the sampling network to provide a feedback signal proportional to the output voltage. V reference is internally generated voltage reference. Here look, we have V reference. Next one, the output V out is the output from this circuit. The control signal is routed through the thermal shutdown and current limiting block to the series pass transistor. So this is the thermal shutdown and current limiting, and it is passed through a series pass transistors. Now, advantages of IC regulator, which may include it is cheap and easily available, easy to use, and versatile in operations. Next, we have a fixed series in this voltage regulator, which is 78XXX series and 79XX series. So the 78XX series are 3-terminal positive fixed voltage regulator. Here XX indicate the output voltage. This regulator is available in 7 ranges. Hence, if for example IC 7805, the voltage range is 7 to 25 and the output voltage is 5 volt. Same way, we have other series called 79XX series, which is also a 3-point fixed voltage category. These ICs can provide output voltages like 78XX series, but in negative terms. So here are the output voltages for the IC number given. Next one is the LM371. This LM371 is a adjustable positive voltage regulator. It may have 6 variations and their output voltage and current respectively. So the features of LM317 is output current in excess of 1.5 amps, internal short current limiting process. So internal thermal overload protection is also available. Next one is the thank you.